Okay, Jenny here. I'm going to show you how to kind of get around the site. I have two tabs open. One is the farm, masonjarfarm.com, and then I have another one that shows your dashboard for the website. So after you go to masonjarfarm.com/WP-admin, you'll be asked to log in, and then you use that username and password that I'll send you, and you'll get into this. Now here, I just installed this, so it doesn't show anything yet, but you have your Google Analytics will show up here, show however many people visit the site, and then you can go down the left side to see where everything lines up and how you organize things. Right now I have it so you go to Pages is the big one. You have your About Us page, Contact. I created an Eggs page, Events, Farm News. Farm News is the blog aspect. Home is your home page, and Location is actually just another, it's a map so people can find you. So let's see, what I'm going to do here is add this right now. I have the Mason Jar Farm event, and I'm going to make a page for that. So I just went into your Word doc and I copy that text out, come over here, and I'll say Pages, add new, and it's going to be called, we can change it, but I'll just say a mason jar to go please. And we're going to add columns first. Actually, first a banner. Move that above the columns. And I already created a banner image that was done in Photoshop from the one you sent me, and I saved it to a folder that I have on my hard disk in my computer, and called it something. Let's see here, where is it? Mason Jar Farm, Mason Jar Meals header. I saved it as a 1080 pixel wide by 300 tall image, and 1080 by 482 it looked like. So I'll just hit select. That'll drop in there. I won't add any text to that because we're gonna already have some below it. And then here I'm gonna edit this is the second one. Let's see how I did this. I just came in here under Page Builder on your main page, and I said let's add a column, and it dropped it in below our header. And then I'm going to say here one column, and that makes it go all the way across here. So I'm going to leave out a photo, and I'm just going to add this text, and I'm just going to Command V or paste that text in there. It brings it up already kind of formatted for you. So right now we're going to say it's called Mason Jar to go please. I already have that in the header, so I'm going to delete that. I'm going to say you probably meant healthily, fast and fun. Join us for a night of fun and food. You'll leave with 3 square meals in a jar. Let's put that up a bit. Plus 3+ works worth of recipes for your preparation. Okay, healthful tips. And yes, lots of food to eat and drink is required. January 29th, 5:30 social time, 6 p.m. class starts, approximately class end time. So this just works like a Word formatting thing at the Mason Jar Farm. You give your address. What I'm going to do though is I think I'll make this into a link, and I'll show you how to do that. We're going to go outside the site to a new site. First we'll come back and we'll grab this address, copy, we'll go outside the site and we'll enter it here, and it should bring up a map. Then you just click on that map, and then you'll come down here to this gear thing and go share. Probably done this a lot, so I'll just copy that out. It's a link, or we can embed the map. I think we'll just make it a link. So I'll copy that little bit of code, go back to your site, and to this part I'm going to click this thing. See this insert? I have this text highlighted, then I click the insert link, paste that there, open in a new window, and hit add link. So now people can just click on that. Here's your phone number, and we'll leave that by itself. $30 PayPal check accepted. Now you have some code for this that you sent me, so I'm going to find that in the email here. Right here, PayPal button. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab this bit of code, and we can make a system on the site that actually runs it, or if you're used to using your PayPal setup like you are, we can just add that too. So what we'll do is let's go to the text. Let's go down to the bottom. Return. We'll hit that code in there and say back to visual. There you go. Add to cart. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy this little bit of text out, because we'll put it right by that button here. $30 PayPal check accepted prior to class period. Invoice will email. There we go. So we'll say done, and we'll come up here, let's hit publish, and we'll go look at it. Mason jar farm. We're gonna grab this short link here, just FYI. Go back to this, drop that short link in, and we'll see what the page looks like. Okay, so here's where the page is. It brings up that header photo. You drop down real food, healthy, healthily, fast, and fun. Join us for a night of food, fun, whatever. Go down. Here's your map link. Here's your add to cart. Let's see if that works. Looks like it does. Check out, 30 bucks. So you're good there. So now we're going to post it on the site. And the way we do this is we grab this line of text here. And we go back into your website and we create a post. And we're going to add new. And we're going to call it, what this was called was Mason jar to go, please. And we'll create this. Okay, so click here to read more and to sign up, and we're going to add that link to that page. We won't hit open in a new window because it's going right to this website. And we'll put it under add new category. We're going to put it under classes. And hit return. It's under classes. We'll hit publish. So what's going to happen is now that's going to show up in our, from our home page, it's going to show up in our news and events. So Mason jar to go, please. So let's check that. It clicks back to this, and it looks like we need to edit that post because the J wasn't capitalized, so we'll capitalize that, hit update. Now we got it. Okay, so now the only other thing is it doesn't show up maybe at the home page here. I think it'd be fun to put that here up in the slider. So we're going to edit the slider real fast. So we go to home page, all pages, go to home, and under the banner one, you'll see here, once it loads up, here's 3 banners. We're going to put a banner at the top. We're going to add another banner here by going we got to go down to the bottom of this. Yep. Add that, and we'll drag this one to the top. There we go. Click on that. We'll upload that file. It's already there. We'll select it. And then we're going to add some text called, let's see, mason jar to go, please. And I'm going to put a little bit about the class, just really quickly. I'm going to grab that from your Word doc. Let's see, we'll leave a 3 square, excuse me, real 25, there we go. I think we'll just use that much text. We'll drop that in right here. We're going to get rid of that real quick. We'll just do it paste as text. This makes it basically all one format. We're just going to consolidate some of this text so it's not so spread out on your page. Healthily, we'll add an I. You can edit this too. We're going to make this big. We're going to make that heading 1. Make the rest of it, we'll leave the rest of it that way. So we'll hit update and we'll go to our home page and look and see if that shows up. I got to hit refresh. There it is. Mason jar to go, please. Real food, healthy, fast, and fun. Okay, so we can't read this text, so we got to do something about that. And then to do something about that quickly, you go in here, and I believe to these settings, darken background to improve readability. There we go. Done. Update. Let's go look at it now. First, it's our first one. Here you go. Mason jar to go, please. Healthy food and fast and fun. Now we want this to go to the site, to link to the site. So let's go add a link there. And first, what we'll do is we'll go to our farm news. Mason jar to go. This is the page we want. Copy that link. Now we'll go into our banner again, and we can add a link right here. We can make actually all of this a link, add it. Click to RSVP in for more info. Hit that, add link, hit done, update, come back here, check it out. That's the page. Here it is. So mason jar to go, please. Now this is a link. We can click that. It'll take us to the page. And there it is. You can hit the cart, sign up. The only thing that's not working right now is the events calendar, and I got to figure out what's going on with Google. So anyways, stay tuned. Thanks.